Do you want to calculate how much you can borrow? I know it's a question that quite a lot of people don't want to speak to an advisor to find out. Well, here's one I prepared earlier in terms of how much you can borrow. Now, let's say, for example, your income is £50,000, or maybe there's two of you earning £25,000, or maybe even there's two of you earning £50,000. If you take whatever your income is and multiply it on a calculator by 4.5, that's going to give you the mortgage amount. So in this example, that's going to be £225,000. Now, what this doesn't take into account is expenditure and committed expenditure, particularly things like loans, credit cards, maintenance payments, travel if you're somebody who does a lot of regular train fares on a monthly basis. The mortgage term impacts on the amount that you can borrow, because the shorter the mortgage term, the more it's going to cost you per month, the more that's going to have an impact on this figure. How many dependents you've got. If you're single or if you're a couple with no kids, you're going to be able to potentially borrow more than I can as a parent of 3. So all the committed expenditures and things that you're paying out regularly for can affect this sum. But this is a really old school method of being able to quickly work out how much you can borrow. It doesn't guarantee that you're going to be able to get a mortgage. It isn't 100% accurate. So if you want to work out how much you can borrow, then you can go and download our quick PDF guide, or you can pick up the phone to one of our team. We'll work out your affordability with you. We'll give you an indication of the interest rate and how much it's going to cost on a monthly basis. And it'll be our pleasure to do that for you. Thanks very much and see you again soon.